Thank you for your interest in the 6th National Climate Assessment, which is produced by the U.S. Global Change Research Program. In this video, we will explain the process for nominating an author, providing public comment, and submitting technical inputs to the 6th National Climate Assessment. When you're ready to submit a nomination, comments, or inputs, please follow these simple steps. First, create an account at contribute.globalchange.gov. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once logged in, select NCA 6 Draft Prospectus, Call for Nominations and Technical Inputs under Public Projects Available for Public Contribution. Then, click I want to contribute to this project. To submit a public comment on the Draft Prospectus, click Comment on NCA 6 Draft Prospectus. Fill out the required contact information, then enter comments in the relevant field and/or via the upload mechanism at the end of the web form. Click Submit and your comment is in. To submit an author nomination, click NCA 6 Call for Participant Nominations. Fill out all required information about the nominee, their expertise, their type of contribution, and their resume. Click Submit at the bottom of the page, and you're done. To submit a technical input, click NCA 6 Technical Input Submission at the bottom of the page. Be prepared with the publication information, the document or link, corresponding author information, peer review information, NCA topic area, and your contact information. Click Submit at the bottom of the page and your submission will be complete. For each submission, finish or save a draft within 15 minutes to avoid timeout. If you need to view submissions or make edits, you can do so on contribute.globalchange.gov at any time before the public comment window closes on June 7th, 2024. If you need more help, please visit our Contribute user guide available in the description of this video. Your comments, nominations, and submissions of technical and scientific information help shape the National Climate Assessment and develop a useful report for you and your communities. Thank you for contributing.